Turkey, a land where continents collide and cultures converge in a beautiful symphony, a land of awesome differences, where the landscapes are as diverse as its people. A bridge between the East and the West, Turkey stands as a testament to the blending of worlds. It's where old history whispers from the ruins of Ephesus, telling tales of ancient civilizations, and modern life buzzes in the busy streets of Istanbul, where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Imagine sunny beaches with turquoise water, the sand stretching endlessly, inviting you to relax. Then picture huge mountains covered in snow, their peaks touching the sky, offering a majestic view. This is Turkey, a land of amazing beauty and countless wonders waiting to be explored. From the moment you arrive in Turkey, it's like a party for your senses, with every corner offering something new. The air smells like spices, and you hear calls to prayer from ancient cities, blending the old with the new. The bright colors of carpets and pottery are everywhere, and the taste of sweet baklava stays with you long after you've left. Turkey is a country you won't forget. Its magic sticks with you, leaving an indelible mark on your heart. But Turkey is more than just pretty landscapes and historical landmarks. It has a soul, a history as rich and interesting as a fancy rug, woven with stories of the past. For centuries, Turkey has been a place where different people and empires have met and mixed, creating a unique cultural tapestry. From the ancient Greeks and Romans to the Byzantines and Ottomans, everyone left their mark, creating a history that's incredibly rich and fascinating. And oh boy, the food. Turkish cuisine is a delightful journey for your taste buds. Turkish food is a party for your mouth, with flavors that will make you want more, from savory to sweet. From yummy kebabs to sweet baklava, every bite is a new adventure, a taste of Turkey's rich culinary heritage. But it's not just the food, it's the people who make Turkey truly special. They're warm, friendly, and super generous, always ready to share a cup of tea and a story. They really know how to make you feel welcome, ensuring your visit is unforgettable. Istanbul, a city everyone knows, yet it holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered. Sitting on two continents, Istanbul is a mix of old and new, where the past and present coexist in harmony. With exciting sights, sounds, and smells, the city is a sensory feast that captivates every visitor. As you walk through the twisty streets of the old city, you'll feel the history all around you, like whispers from the past echoing through time. The ancient walls and ruins tell stories of empires that once ruled here. The Hagia Sophia, a super cool building from a long time ago, shows the city's history in its grandest form. It was a church, then a mosque, and now a museum, reflecting the city's diverse cultural heritage. Its big dome and pretty mosaics are amazing, showcasing architectural brilliance and artistic beauty. Close by, the Blue Mosque, with its tall towers, is a beautiful example of Ottoman awesomeness, standing as a testament to the city's rich Islamic history. But Istanbul is more than just old buildings. It's a vibrant, living city. It's a lively city where you can shop in the Grand Bazaar, explore the spice market, and immerse yourself in the local culture. Or chill with some Turkish tea at a cozy cafe watching the world go by. Cross the Galata Bridge, and you're in modern Istanbul, where the city's dynamic energy is palpable. With tall buildings, malls, and cool cafes, the modern side of Istanbul is a hub of activity and innovation. But even there, you're still close to the city's history, where the old and new blend seamlessly, creating a unique tapestry of time. Turkey's history is a fascinating tale of empires rising and falling, and cultures blending together over millennia. From the ancient Hittites to the mighty Ottomans, each civilization has left its mark on this land. It's a story written in stone and whispered by the wind in old ruins, where every carving and every broken column tells a story of a bygone era. Travel back in time to Troy, the legendary city from Homer's epic tales. Imagine the bustling streets and the grand walls that once stood here. Picture the dramatic events of the Trojan War unfolding right before your eyes, with heroes and gods playing their parts in this timeless saga. Journey even further back in time to the Temple of Artemis at Ephesus, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Imagine the awe it inspired in ancient visitors. Walk through the ancient streets of Ephesus and envision it as a bustling Roman city, filled with merchants, scholars, and travelers from all over the empire. The Library of Celsus stands as a testament to the grandeur of Ephesus, showcasing the city's dedication to knowledge and culture. The Byzantine Empire left behind remarkable structures in Istanbul, like the Hagia Sophia, a marvel of architectural ingenuity and spiritual significance. The intricate mosaics inside Hagia Sophia reflect the opulence and artistic prowess of the Byzantine emperors, capturing the essence of their era. The Ottomans, who ruled for centuries, also left an indelible mark on Turkey's landscape, blending their unique style with the existing heritage. Their architectural masterpieces, such as the Süleymaniye Mosque and Topkapi Palace, stand as enduring symbols of Ottoman grandeur and design excellence, enriching the cultural tapestry of Istanbul. Turkish food is a mix of Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and Central Asian flavors. It's super tasty and will make you want more. Let's start with kebabs. Tender pieces of meat, cooked perfectly over fire, are a Turkish favorite. Whether you like Adana kebab, Iskender kebab, or doner kebab, they're all delicious. But Turkish food is more than just kebabs. There's lentil soup, kachik, yogurt with cucumber and herbs, and pide, Turkish pizza. And then there's baklava, layers of pastry with nuts and syrup. It's a super sweet treat. Every bite is amazing. Don't forget Turkish tea! Served in small, pretty glasses, it's a daily tradition. Turkish hospitality is famous. It's not just being polite, it's how they live. You'll feel welcome from the moment you arrive. People smile, shopkeepers offer you tea, and families might even invite you to their homes. Turkish people love sharing their culture. Don't be surprised if you're invited to dinner with a local family. It's a great way to experience Turkish hospitality, eat home-cooked food, and learn about their traditions. And you have to try a Turkish bath, or hammam. It's a relaxing experience, a chance to clean your body and feel good. Istanbul, Ephesus, and Cappadocia are must-sees, but Turkey has more to offer. Explore Cappadocia, where volcanoes created a fairy tale world of weird rock formations, underground cities, and cave churches. Take a hot air balloon ride for an amazing view, relax on the beaches of the Turkish Riviera, swim in clear water, and find hidden coves. From Antalya to Uludeniz, there's something for everyone. Visit Pamukkale, a natural wonder with white pools. Take a dip, and feel your stress disappear. Turkey will amaze you and give you memories that will last forever. Whether you love history, culture, food, or friendly people, Turkey has it all. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready for an amazing Turkish adventure. Discover the magic of Turkey and make memories you'll never forget.